Hello, this is Brendan Bingham for assignment 2.4, SQL setup operations and join logic using Venn diagrams. So for the first thing here, we have the Venn diagram that I found. It's about the states of matter. The most interesting thing that you learned from this Venn diagram, question number 8, I learned the gas changes volume and has no definite shape, but does not take up space. The result could be described as all our types of matter intersect, no definite shape, intersect changes volume, exclude takes up space. Question 1, SQL setup operation union. Choose any two or more of the datasets in your Venn diagram. Which elements would be included? Liquid and gas. When they are united together, you get no definite shape and particles can flow, which is this section here. Question number 2, how would you describe one segment of your Venn diagram that represents the intersection of at least 3 types of the datasets? Solid has a fixed shape, definite volume, but cannot be poured. Question number 4, using all the data sets in your Venn diagram, which segment represents the result of an inner join? And the inner join for this one would be that they are all types of matter, all made up of atoms, and all have volume and shape. Question number 7, using any two or more of the data sets in your Venn diagram, how would you describe results of a full join? A full join of the solid and the liquid sections would return, I'm not going to read all of them because there's a whole bunch, but all of these, and all the ones that are included for both as well. And then question number 6, using any two datasets in your Venn diagram, how would you describe the results of a right join with solid and liquid, the top two, the left and the top rather? It would return fixed shape, particles locked in place, not easily compressible, little free space between particles, does not flow, can be held, can be cut or shaped, definite volume, and takes up space. And then for the Venn diagram that I created, we've got this guy here. So we did types of schooling K through 12. There's homeschooling, public schooling, and private schooling. The most interesting thing that I learned from the Venn diagram and how it would be described in SQL, I learned that there are a lot of other opportunities to learn other than just simply public schools. There are many different ways that people learn, and public school is not a one-size-fits-all model. It works for many, but private and homeschooling are both better options. Choose any two of the following sets in your Venn diagram. Which elements would be included in the union? Between homeschooling and private schooling, you would get academic freedom, individualized, parent involvement, small class size, tuition costs, uniforms, often religious-based, one-on-one attention, and life skills. With an intersection of the 3, you get provide, education is the commonality. With an the inner join between, I believe it was private schooling and homeschooling. I didn't put that on there. But you get academic freedom, individualized, parent involvement, one-on-one attention, and life skills. So that includes all the homeschooling and the commonalities, but not the private schooling. Question 7, with a full join between public schooling and private schooling, you would get many children, large classes, and more socializing opportunities, small class size, tuition costs, uniforms, and often religious-based. So that gives you all of the returns from both of the sections and the commonalities. A right join of homeschool and private school would return academic freedom, individualized parent involvement, small class size, tuition costs, uniforms, religion-based, one-on-one attention, and life skills. And those are the 2 Venn diagrams that I decided to go over. Thank you.